Welcome to the part 30 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at hook. Alright, so what is hook? So, this is hook. So, if you remember from the previous lessons, we talked about hook. So if you remember, hook is made like this. Now this hook is just its opposite, which is this one, right? So this is our hook and this is our hook. So don't get confused between these two. So now this hook can also be called as hook vowel because this is a vowel. So this is used to represent these three sounds. The first one is a sound as in tuck, because if you pronounce this word it goes like tuck, so we have a sound, okay? The second one is sound as in tuk, because if you pronounce it goes like tuk, alright? So it is sound, alright? And the next one is sound as in tomb. So this is pronounced as tomb, so we have sound, right? Now we use a simple hook, hook, to represent this a sound, and we use a hook and a dot to represent this sound as in tuk, and we use a hook and a dash to represent our sound as in tomb. Alright, so now we will be taking some examples of words. Now suppose a word called buck. So if you pronounce it goes like buck, so see, we have a similar sound as a as in tuck, so we're gonna be using this hook, simple hook, without any dot or dash. So this word will be made like this. So this is our first of all B, which is a long curve. Then we have this simple hook, alright? Then we finally attached this K. So this is our word buck. Let's take the next one, like a word called book. So we have book. So see, we have sound as in like tuk. So here we're gonna be using this hook and a dot to represent this sound. So let's make this word. Alright, so first of all we have this long curve which is B. Then we have this hook and a dot to represent our sound. Then we finally attached this K character. So this is our word book. Let's take the next one, like a word called boot. Alright, so if you pronounce it goes like boot. So we have sound, and which is very similar to this one as in tomb. So we're gonna be using this hook and a dash to represent our sound. Alright, so this word will be made like this. So first of all we have this B long curve, then we have this hook and a dash, then we finally attached this short stroke which is T. So this is our word boot. Alright, now let's take some more examples, like a word called plus. So if you pronounce it goes like plus, so we have a sound, see, a sound. So we're gonna be using the simple hook without any dash or dot. So this word will be made like this. So this is our first of all short curve which is P. Then we have a long curve which is L. Then we attached this hook without a dash or dot to represent our sound. Then we finally attach this S. So this is our word plus. Alright. Now let's take the next one, like a word called pull. So we have pull. So you see oo sound is coming from this word, which is very similar to this one as in took. So we're gonna be using a hook and a dot here to represent our oo sound. Alright. So this word will be made like this. So first of all, we have this P, then we have this oo hook. Alright, we have a and we have oo and then a dot. Alright, we have oo hook and a dot, then we have this final long curve which is L. So this is our word pull. Alright, let's take the next, like our word called pool. So see, we have oo sound coming here, because if you pronounce it goes like pool, which is very similar to this tomb. So we're gonna be using this simple oo hook and a dash. So this word will be made like this. So first we have this P, then we have this vowel which is oo hook vowel, then and a dash to represent our oo sound. Then we finally made this long curve which is L. So this is our word pool. Alright, so this is what oo hook is about, and remember that this oo hook is a vowel. Alright, so we can say that in this word buck, we made this first B, then we have this oo vowel. Alright, so we can call it as vowel also because it is a vowel. Alright, so that was all about it, and I will see you in the next video.